A moon smaller than ours is hiding more ocean water than every sea on Earth combined. It's called Europa, and scientists think it might be the best shot we have at finding alien life. Under Europa's frozen shell sits a global ocean estimated to hold 2 to 3 times more water than all of Earth's oceans put together. One moon, more water than an entire planet. That ocean isn't sealed shut either. Telescopes have caught geyser plumes blasting water vapor over 100 miles into space through cracks in the ice, like the moon is venting straight from its ocean. Scientists believe the ocean floor may have hydrothermal vents just like Earth's, heated not by the sun, but by Jupiter's crushing gravity squeezing the moon like a stress ball. That's the same chemistry that feeds life in our deepest oceans, no sunlight required. And here's what makes this even crazier. NASA already launched a spacecraft, Europa Clipper, just to study this ocean up close. We might get our answer on alien life from a moon, not a planet. Which fact blew your mind most? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.